Hi, welcome to the Kobe Coyote Show, and welcome to a 3-in-1 video.
What is that?
A 3-in-1 video is where we put 3 videos inside of one video.
Wow, how do we do that?
You edit and make copies of all of them and squish one together. Anyways, let's start.
Hold on!
Welcome to the Kobe Coyote Show, and today we're gonna get whacked. Today we're on the Mule.
Alright, and what are we gonna do? What's the plan at Wild Thyme Farm?
And we're going up to make fire and gather some firewood.
Are we ready, Kobe?
Yeah.
Whoa, didn't look ready. Hold on. Hold on! Yoo-hoo!
I like this. Oh. Ah! Chainsaw time!
We're going to throw all the firewood in the bag.
Oh yeah, this is a lot to clean up here. Ready? Are you going to drive this tractor yourself?
No. Can I?
With John? Where are you?
On a tractor!
The Wild Thyme Farm?
I guess so, but we're also in a forest. It's introducing to the Kobe Coyote Machona Manina Manona Namana.
How was it? How was it?
Pretty good. Bye, guys. Now, hello and welcome to another episode.
Okay, we're going down.
Crouching, not standing up.
Sit down, sit down. Have a seat.
I can't crouch.
Yeah, just have a seat. Make it easy.
I'm crouching. Just keep on trying me. It's my anxiety. Just keep on trying me. It's my anxiety. Just keep on trying me. It's my anxiety. the trap. So Daddy, keep the trail on me.
All right.
All right, then I'll stop here.